At times it's important to use your phone to go ahead and do conference calls. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get multiple people in a phone call so you can talk to them. Welcome everybody, I'm Kevin from helpfultutorials.net. Today we're going to go through and show you exactly how to get set up with your conference calls. If you're new here and you like iPhone tips, tricks, tutorials, do me a favor, smack that subscribe button. It'd be amazing to have you here. Also have a free tips and tricks guide on helpfultutorials.net that's completely free. Check it out and you'll never get stuck with an issue again. Now we are here on the phone. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and hit the phone icon to go to our contacts. And I have one up here already. We're going to go ahead and call this contact. And I'm going to go ahead and answer the call. Now what we're going to do is choose add call on the bottom left corner, the plus. We're going to find who we want to send it to. We're going to go ahead and call this person. And answer that call. Great, so now we have all the calls answered. So what we want to do next is go ahead and hit merge calls. Once we hit merge calls, it will put all three of us on the line at once. There we go. Now we have both of those. So if you do need to have more people added, what you could do is you could have, for example, Taylor here call somebody on his iPhone and then choosing add calls. Or we could go ahead and choose add call here as well, because it is giving me an option to add more callers. So you can go ahead and add as many as it'll allow and you will be all set. If you have any questions about any other thing you need to do, just let me know down below. With everything going on in the world, conference calling is very important, especially since a lot of us are working from home right now. So please be safe out there. I want to thank you so much and have a great day. Here's some more videos I know you'll love, and thank you so much for the view.